Improved drillable reports are a great enhancement to Sage accounts, and these are now available in both Sage 50 Accounts 2013 and Sage Instant Accounts 2013. The drillable functionality is available in the trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet and prior year report. This feature means that when you preview your reports, that it's quick and easy to view a breakdown of the values on the reports. Just a click and the software drills down to the next level of detail. It's a query that we regularly support our customers with. For example, you might be looking at a profit and loss report and want to know where a particular figure comes from. It might be too high, too low, or just generally you need to know how it calculates. Well, if I preview a profit and loss report in Sage Accounts 2013, you'll see queries like this are just a click away using the new reports. If I take a typical example where I'm looking at my sales and I need to understand maybe where the product sales value comes from. So this, in the year to date column, I'm looking at this 9,100. Where does that value come from? If I wanted to know that in previous versions, I'd need to work backwards. I need to close out of the report, edit the chart of accounts, have a look at the sales range, the product sales, see which nominal codes are being included in that range. Then I'd need to look at the nominal records and maybe even the nominal activity reports. Now, you might already be familiar with this process, and if you are, you'll be aware of the time that this would normally take. However, with the new drillable reports in Sage Accounts 2013, it's easy. In the preview screen, you can see some values are in blue, and this indicates that you can click on them to drill down. If I click on the value, another report is automatically run. So if I click on in the year-to-date column, the 9,100, which is against product sales, if I click that value, another report appears. And this gives me the breakdown of that 9,100 against product sales, gives me a breakdown of that value by nominal code. So in this example, there's three nominal codes, 4,000, 4,001 and 4,002, which are contributing towards that value. So very quick, very easy to see that breakdown. You'll also notice on this report that some of the values are also in blue. And again, this indicates that I can drill down on those values. So supposing I get to this level and I'm still not sure, so I want to understand where the value against, say, nominal code 4,000 comes from, which is the £7,634. Again, I could just click on that value. So click. And what it does this time, it takes me down to transaction level against that nominal code. So this is equivalent of running a nominal activity report for the nominal code, so in this case nominal code 4000, for the relevant date range. So very quickly I've gone from the profit and loss all the way down to transaction level. So as you can see, this feature is incredibly simple and helps you to understand your key management reports quickly and easily. And just as a reminder, we've added this drillable reporting feature on the trial balance, the profit and loss, the balance sheet, and also the prior year report. You might also have noticed that each of the new reports is opened on a separate tab within the report preview window. I can click back at any time to any of the reports. So if I want to, I can just click the category breakdown. That gives me that nominal code breakdown, and also back to the profit and loss.